In this video in my virtual ceramics series, I'm going to consider ways of modifying the design. I've got a fairly basic shape at the moment. To do any modifications, I simply move into the model tree. I'm going to start by changing the overall shape, which is based upon a sketch, which is then extruded. I just right click on Edit Definition, it gives me the sizes. All I'm going to do is change that size, the width to 85. I'm happy with that. Accept that with a tick. Look at that in trimetric view. It's an auto scale. Okay, happy with that. Extrusion, I'm going to make it shallower, so again with extrusion just simply go in, edit the definition, double click on there. I could just stretch the height until I think it looks right. 45. Accept that with the green tick. The actual draft, the angle, again I could change that. Simple, all of these is just right click on the item or the feature in the model tree and then you can make a change. And I can either drag that if I like the look of it or enter a value. Okay, I'm happy with that. The auto rounds I'm going to leave because I know they're sort of more or less at their maximum value. I can check that by simply just hovering over the design. If I zoom in using the mouse arrow, you can see how the lines are almost touching to show the limits of the round. If I will leave them as they are. I could make them slightly bigger, but I will leave them. Okay, again, auto scale, and finally I'll modify the warp. Warp modification is a little bit more involved. See, now the dashboard has started. If I go to where it says list, we can see the stages that I've done so far. If I go to my first sculpt, I've done it that way. What I can also do is select an actual line as well as just the node to make a change, move to the next sculpt, or accept that first I should do. I can then edit it again, I'll do the same thing this time. See how we're getting a very different shape. I probably could have used the sculpt in the list in both cases without going out and in again. It's just that the system is running slow because of the Camtasia software running in the background. So I'm happy with that. Accept that. There's my modified design. I now close the plane display, coordinate system, turn off the spin center and give enhanced realism. There's my design. So it's that easy. You just simply use the model tree, right click on the feature you want to modify, do the modifications, tick or click on the green accept tick, and you've made your change. And then obviously save that as a copy once you've done that.